Want to boost your sales with smart discounts? In this video, we'll show you how to set up the product's bundle selection section in the Hyper theme. With this feature, customers can pick products from different tabs, see their bundle update in real time, and automatically get a discount when they meet your set conditions. First, go to your Hyper theme editor. Click Add section, then select Products Bundle Selection. Let's start with the section header. Here, you can add your subheading, heading, and text. Then, adjust the text alignment, both for desktop and mobile. You can also highlight your heading by wrapping the text in italics, changing its color, or applying a different style. Finally, adjust the heading size and text size to match your store's look and feel. Next, we'll set up the bundle bar. Let's start by choosing a color scheme that matches your store's branding. Then add a short description to guide shoppers on how to build their bundle. Next, set the maximum number of items customers can add, for example up to 8 products in total. Finally, toggle Prevent Duplicate Products on if you don't want the same item to be added multiple times. Choose the number of discount tiers you want. Each tier includes the minimum items, discount percentage, and a custom label. For example, Tier 1, add 2 items for 10% off. Tier 2, add 3 for 15% off, and Tier 3, add 6 for 30% off. Now, let's move to grid settings, where you control the layout inside each tab. You can decide how many products to display in each collection tab. After that, choose how many columns you want on desktop. Lastly, adjust the column and row gaps to make sure everything has just the right amount of space and looks clean on your page. Before customizing the product card, go to the collection block and select a collection and title for each tab so you can check the layout afterward. Next, customize the product card, choose an image ratio that fits your design and set a text line limit to control how many lines of the product title are displayed. Don't forget to take a look at the mobile layout settings. You can choose to show 1 or 2 columns per row and turn on Swipe on Mobile so shoppers can easily scroll through products with a simple swipe. Show a progress bar to indicate the sliding progress when swiping on mobile. All set with your section but not sure how to set up the discount? Don't worry, here comes the best part, setting up your actual discount. Here's how you do it. Go to your Shopify admin, choose Discounts, then click Create Discount. Choose Amount Off Products as the type and select Automatic Discount as the method. Set your discount value, for example, 10%, then under Applies to, choose specific collections and select the same collections you used in your bundle section. Next, set the minimum quantity of items to match your tier setup, for example, a minimum of 2 items for your first tier. If you're offering multiple discount tiers, simply repeat these steps for each one. Finally, review your setup. Once your discount tier is reached, the section will display an Add Bundle to Cart button at the bottom of the bundle bar. And that's it. Your product bundle selection section is ready to go. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe for more helpful Shopify tips. See you in the next video.